Hello, ladies, gentlemen, and friends. Good morning. Here in our place is peaceful. No chaos, no trouble, no quarrel. It's nice to live in a peaceful life, peaceful neighborhood. And I thank God for that. I hope in your place is also peaceful and you have peace of mind. No trouble, no chaos. And thank you. I love you all.